welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna see the most luxurious car, the Chevrolet-Corvette. It's an convertible car and it comes in 1 LT coupe, 2 LT coupe and 3 LT coupe, and we are seeing is the 2 LT coupe, and its price is $68,200. 2LT adds a number of comfort and convenience features in addition to color matched interior options. Includes everything in 1LT plus. So Bose Performance Series 14 speaker audio system, heated with ventile seat with lumbar wing adjust color head up display, Chevrolet Informant 3 premium system with connected navigation, and it also called as muscle car because it's the strong car memory, and it also has a memory driver and passenger convenience package, rear cross traffic alert, side blind zone alert, and performance data record. It have removable roof panel, Bose premium 10 speaker system, HD rear vision camera in 1LT coupe. In 3LT coupe is the at most in luxury performance with a leather warp interior. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.